Ever wondered how ChatGPT suddenly knows the stuff it was never trained on? For example, telling you the latest score of football match, summarizing the breaking news, latest price of a stock. So when that LLM was being trained, it never had that information because the event had not occurred. But it still knows the answer. Let us see how. So the secret sauce is RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Think of it as a very smart guy. You ask a question to that smart guy, it may not know the answer. So rather than hallucinating or guessing the answer, it goes to internet, finds out the latest relevant information, searches and gets you a very good answer to your question. Let us see how RAG works. So a user sends a query to a LLM. LLM, for some reason, doesn't know the answer. Rather than hallucinating and guessing, it searches the sources of information that it has. It may be an internal source, it may be searching over internet, or it may be policy document. It gets certain results, it analyzes those results, prepares a very good answer, and sends you the final answer. That's how RAGs work. In next video, we'll look into how RAG is implemented.